Did you know you're losing testosterone every single day? And the worst part is you probably don't even notice it. Studies show that men's testosterone levels drop by about 1% every single year after age 30. This one hormone shapes everything about being a man. Your muscle size, bone density, those sharp facial features, and even the very energy that drives you. Without enough of it, you start to feel less and less like yourself. In this video, I'm going to reveal the everyday habits that are silently killing your masculine energy, and more importantly, the simple science-backed fixes to get it back. Let's start with what's draining you. First up, a sedentary lifestyle. So many of us spend our days stuck in a chair, then come home and lie on the couch, scrolling or gaming. When your body isn't moving, it gets a clear message. I don't need strength, I don't need muscle. Less movement signals to your body that it doesn't need to produce as much testosterone. Think about it. Our ancestors walked everywhere. Today, we drive. That lack of physical demand directly leads to lower T levels. Second, dopamine overload. Constant, easy dopamine hits from things like adult websites and excessive self-pleasure can put your brain into a low drive state. Your body literally stops pushing you to build muscle, chase real-world goals, or pursue genuine connections. Don't fall for the myth that these habits somehow increase testosterone. The real-world results speak for themselves. Taking control of these urges is crucial for regaining your drive. Third on our list is excess heat. Your testicles need to be slightly cooler than the rest of your body to function optimally and produce testosterone. That's precisely why they are located outside the body. Things like wearing tight pants, taking long hot showers, or even just sitting with a laptop on your lap for hours create excess heat that can seriously hinder production. The fix is simple. Sleep in loose-fitting clothes, avoid scorching hot baths, and keep electronics off your lap. Number 4 is plastic. This one is sneaky. Many plastics, especially the ones we use for food and water, contain chemicals like BPA. Once inside your body, these chemicals can mimic estrogen. And the formula is simple. More estrogen equals less testosterone. The solution? Switch to glass or stainless steel containers for your food and water whenever possible. And finally, number 5. Junk food. Sugary drinks, processed snacks, and industrial seed oils cause massive insulin spikes and inflammation, both of which are kryptonite for testosterone. On top of that, carrying extra body fat is a problem because fat cells actually convert your precious testosterone into estrogen. You have to fuel your body correctly, which brings us to the good part. So how do we actually boost our testosterone? Let's get into the action plan. First, your diet. Focus on 3 pillars: zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. These are the fundamental building blocks for testosterone. For zinc, load up on eggs, red meat, and pumpkin seeds. For magnesium, think nuts, more pumpkin seeds, and high-quality dark chocolate, the kind with 90% cocoa. And for vitamin D, the best source is free, the sun. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight on your skin each day. Second, your workout. Lifting heavy weights is fantastic, but don't stop there. To really spike your testosterone, you need explosive movements. I'm talking about sprinting. Think about the difference in physique between a long-distance jogger and a sprinter. Sprinters are muscular, lean, and powerful. That's what we're aiming for. Try this. Sprint with everything you've got for 30 seconds, then rest for 2 minutes. Do 3 sets of these. Hill sprints or jump squats are also incredible options. Third, your water quality. Stop drinking unfiltered tap water. It can contain microplastics and other chemicals that disrupt your hormones. More bad chemicals can mean more estrogen-like activity and less testosterone. Invest in a good water filter or opt for clean bottled mineral water. And remember, store it in glass or metal bottles, not plastic. Fourth, manage your stress. Chronic stress floods your body with a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is the arch nemesis of testosterone. It literally steals the resources your body would use for T production. How do you fight it? Hit the gym, take a walk in nature, meditate, or practice deep breathing. A solid workout alone can slash your stress levels significantly. And number 5, the most important of all, live with purpose. If you wake up without a goal, your life will feel empty and directionless, which is a breeding ground for stress and apathy. But when you have a clear purpose, whether it's in your career, your fitness, or building something meaningful, your body responds. It floods you with motivation and yes, increases testosterone. So here's a challenge for you. Pick one high-value skill you want to learn. Dedicate yourself to it for the next 6 months and watch how your life transforms. That's your complete guide. If you found this helpful and want more content to help you level up, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and let's get to work.